Okay, students, step 2, cation, number of cations, they are 10, they are divalent, number of anions, they are also divalent, and they are 7, multiply 10 by 7, 10 sevens are 70, so the total number of formulas would be 70. Now write the valencies as plus 2 and minus 2, shift these valencies as suffix of x and y. You will write as 2 2. Now 2 ratio 2 when cancelled by 2 they give 1 ratio 1, and 1 ratio 1 you will get here 1 ratio 1, and this 1 ratio 1 is not written, so the final formula would be xy. Okay student, we are starting step 2. Here O2 S minus 2 CO3 minus 2 SO4 minus 2 HPO4 minus 2 C2O3 minus 2 S2O3 minus 2. These are the anions, oxide, sulfide, carbonate, sulfate, biphosphate, oxalate, thiosulfate. Beryllium Be plus 2, magnesium Mg plus 2, calcium Ca plus 2, barium Ba plus 2. Okay, now we are starting our chemical formulas. Again, let us see that their general formula is XY. So we are going to write them in the form XY. BeO, beryllium oxide. BeS, beryllium sulfide. BeCO3, beryllium carbonate. BeSO4, beryllium phosphate. BeHPO4, beryllium biphosphate. BeC2O3, beryllium oxalate. BeS2O3, beryllium thiosulfate. Now for magnesium, MgO, magnesium oxide. Mgs, magnesium sulfide. MgCO3, magnesium carbonate. MgSO4, magnesium sulfate. MgHPO4, magnesium biphosphate. MgC2O3, magnesium oxalate. MgS2O3, magnesium thiosulfate. Now come for calcium, CaO, calcium oxide. CaS, calcium sulfide. CaCO3, calcium carbonate, a well known. CaSO4, calcium sulfate. CaHPO4, calcium biphosphate. CaC2O3, calcium oxalate. CaS2O3, calcium thiosulfate. Okay, now come to barium. BaO, barium oxide. BaS, barium sulfide. BaCO3, barium carbonate. BaSO4, barium sulfate. BaHPO4, barium biphosphate. BaC2O3, barium oxalate. BaS2O3, barium thiosulfate. Okay student, next element is cupric or copper. You will write CuO, cupric oxide or copper oxide. CuS, copper sulfide. CuCO3, copper carbonate. CuSO4, copper sulfate. CuHPO4, copper biphosphate. CuC2O3, copper oxalate. CuS2O3, copper thiosulfate. Now mercuric or mercury. HgO, mercury oxide, mercuric oxide. Hgs, mercuric sulfide. HgCO3, mercuric carbonate. HgSO4, mercuric sulfate. HgHPO4, mercuric phosphate. HgC2O3, mercuric oxalate. HgS2O3, mercuric thiosulfate. Now this is ferrous. FeO, ferrous oxide. FeS, ferrous sulfide. FeCO3, ferrous carbonate. FeSO4, ferrous sulfate. FeHPO4, ferrous biphosphate. FeC2O3, ferrous oxalate. FeS2O3, ferrous thiosulfate. Now this is manganese. MnO, manganese oxide. MnS, manganese sulfide. MnCO3, manganese carbonate. MnSO4, manganese sulfate. MnHPO4, manganese phosphate. Manganese biphosphate. NaCO3, manganese oxalate. NnS2O3, manganese thiosulfate. ZnO, zinc oxide. ZnS, zinc sulfide. ZnCO3, zinc carbonate. ZnSO4, zinc sulfate. ZnHPO4, zinc biphosphate. ZnS2O3, zinc oxalate. ZnS2O3, zinc thiosulfide. Okay, now this is stannous or tin. SNO, stannous oxide. SNS, stannous sulfide. SnCO3, stannous carbonate. SnSO4, stannous sulfate. SnHPO4, stannous biphosphate, SnC2O3, stannous oxalate, SnS2O3, stannous thiosulfate. Okay student, this step is completed. After this video, new video will contain step 3.3. In the next video, you will see how to make the formulas from trivalent cations and anions. So the step 3.3 will be done in next video.